What's up, everybody? I'm very late to the game on the AirTag unboxings, but I have some cool little products I'm going to use with these things, so let's check them out. So yeah, like I said, this isn't really a review on the AirTags. I know a million people have already done that, but I do have some pretty neat, inexpensive gadgets that I'm going to be pairing these things with that I'm going to do videos on in the future, so I figured why not just do a quick unboxing anyway. So I went and picked these up from Staples, of all places. They had a really good deal going on. I got them for $10 off. And I will say I felt super creepy buying these things. I feel like after they came out, people found all these really creeper things to do with them, and I definitely got eyeballed from the lady behind the counter, understandably. But yeah, we're not going to be doing any of that. I just have some cool things like my remote control and my wallet, which I lose pretty much every single day, that I want to be able to find a little quicker. Jumping into the unboxing here, the packaging is really nice, Apple-esque. Surprised there weren't any stickers in there. Maybe I didn't see them, but the packaging is very nice. As you can see, I got a pack of 4 of these things, and it's what you'd expect from Apple. Nice, clean packaging, simple, straightforward setup, apparently. Basically what it's saying you do is get your phone and pull this little piece of plastic off next to your phone, and the phone should do the rest. Cool, that came up pretty much right away. Like I said, I'm not going to go through all of the setup with these. A million people have already done that. I'm just kind of prepping you guys for videos I have coming. This will be for my remote control. I don't know about you guys that have kids, but we pretty much lose our Apple TV remote every single day. So hopefully this thing will help me find it a little easier when it's hiding under the couch amongst the 5,000 goldfish my kids eat. It's pretty neat. It shows you a very accurate proximity. I'm holding it a couple feet away, and it shows me where it is. It makes a noise if I need it to make a noise. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll be pairing one of these with a case for my Apple TV remote. This thing looks pretty cool. I'll do an unboxing on this later. Basically, you hide the thing in the bottom. Also, my wallet. I lose my wallet pretty much every single day. My wife is going to love this thing, so I don't have to keep asking where my wallet is. But yeah, you basically pair this thing with the wallet and you're good to go. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.